Am I the a-hole for being pissed off at my Jewish roommate for telling me I can't use the oven in our apartment? So my Jewish roommate is telling me that I'm not allowed to use the oven for my food in the apartment that we both pay for. And now he's calling me unreasonable for being upset and feeling disrespected because of it. And just for some clarification, a lot of people don't understand that some Jewish people will only eat kosher, and there are special rules to that. Now, I'm not Jewish. I respect the religion, but it's causing issues. He's trying to tell me that I'm only allowed to cook kosher food and store kosher food in the kitchen or in the fridge as well. He expects me to change my way of life for his religion, which I believe is disrespectful to me. I knew he was Jewish before I moved in, but I thought that the changes would be small and easy, like maybe different plates for different foods. But nobody told me I wouldn't be allowed to use my own oven or refrigerator. I'm just upset that my roommate wasn't more upfront about what he needed before we moved in together. So I've decided we should just go talk to his rabbi and see what he thinks. I'm not trying to be anti-Semitic here, but I just don't want his beliefs forced on me. So am I wrong? Okay, so for me, this one is a no-brainer. Although I have respect for everybody and their religions, if your religion makes you have to change things up in the day-to-day life of others, then you're the one who needs to figure out different arrangements. So my bottom line is, if the Jewish roommate had any problems with his food being cooked in the oven with non-kosher food, he probably should get a personal oven. Or at least just live on his own, because you cannot expect to change somebody's entire life because of your religion. I don't mean to sound insensitive, but come on, that just doesn't make sense. So for me, OP is definitely not an a-hole, and the roommate is a 4 out of 10 for expecting his roommate to change his way of life for his religion. Okay guys, so I have a quick bonus story, and this one is also about culturally insensitive food situations. So you have to let me know who you think the a-hole is in this one. Am I the a-hole for being culturally insensitive about butter? So I was at my boyfriend's family home. I'm a nurse, and my son burnt himself on the grill by smacking his forehead into it while playing. He had a little burn, and I went to the bathroom to clean it up and put some cold water on it. Now my boyfriend's great-grandmother is there. I guess there might be some cultural differences with them being Latino, but she insists on putting butter on my kid's burn. I said no, and his mom came to talk to me saying I should just do it because it's disrespectful to his great-grandmother not to just take her advice since she's almost 100. I told his mother that it's disrespectful of them not to listen to me about treating my own child. And I'm a nurse, so I'm not putting butter on a small burn. One of his aunts tried to bully me again about the butter, and I finally got mad and said that butter is for cooking. Why the heck would I put it on a burn? I saw his mother still trying to put the butter on the burn, and I said, hell no. I took my kid and we left. My boyfriend called and said that I'm not supposed to treat his family like that, and I should have just let them do it. Apparently in his culture, elders are important. I told him that in my culture, my boundaries and health are more important than your grandma's ego. We haven't talked since, and my friend said that I was being insensitive to my boyfriend and his family. So am I really the a-hole? I honestly cannot say that OP is the a-hole in this situation. I mean, especially because she's a nurse. I honestly find it really disrespectful for the family not to take the nurse's word for it on how to treat her own child. So although I feel like both parties blew this way out of proportion, I still do not blame OP, and the family is definitely a-holes. I get that they just wanted to help, but the fact that they didn't drop it is the real problem to me. But OP may have been a little bit out of line for leaving. So you guys let me know who you think the real a-holes are in this story. And you also have to let me know what you think about the final results to my latest crystal jewelry box. Guys, I had so much fun making this one. I have been completely obsessed with purple lately. So I used amethyst for the handle of the lid. And then I used these gorgeous purple flowers that I received from the washi tape shop. So you have to let me know what you think about the final results and rate them on a scale from 1 to 10. Then drop some purple emojis in the comments to show me that you're a true supporter. All right, my loves, thank you for staying all the way till the end of the video and listening to my drama-filled stories. And I will see you next time. Stay kind, stay amazing, and keep on resonating. Peace.